Ice Universe is back with exciting news about Samsung's latest software update, One UI 7. If you're a Galaxy user, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's dive into the buzz surrounding the next iteration of Samsung's custom Android software, particularly its stunning animations. Recently, a trusted industry insider revealed significant enhancements in One UI 7.0's animations. Just a few days later, visuals showcasing these updates surfaced online, giving us a closer look at what Samsung has been working on. The result? A smoother, more fluid, and visually captivating user experience that sets a new standard for Galaxy devices. One of the most eye-catching upgrades in One UI 7 is its animations. Whether you're pulling down the quick panel, opening or closing apps, or switching between tasks via the task manager, the transitions feel seamless. Compared to earlier versions, these enhancements are a breath of fresh air, bringing refinement and stability to the interface. Let's talk about the quick panel, a feature Galaxy users frequently interact with. In One UI 7, the expansion and retraction of the quick panel are more polished than ever. The motions are fluid, and the overall experience feels smoother, improving both aesthetics and functionality. It's a small change, but one that makes a big difference in day-to-day use. Another noteworthy improvement is in the recent apps section. In this updated version of Samsung's Android 15-based software, recently opened apps are displayed front and center, making them easier to locate. Other apps are arranged in a stacked layout, simplifying navigation and enhancing usability. For years, One UI animations have lagged behind competitors like iOS and some Chinese Android skins. But with One UI 7, Samsung is closing the gap. Frequent actions like opening and closing apps now feel far more polished. This smoother design not only enhances the user experience, but also positions One UI 7 as a serious contender against Apple's iOS in terms of fluidity and reliability. Ice Universe recently shared a clip showcasing these impressive changes. The video highlights how stable and glitch-free the app opening and closing animations have become in One UI 7. The transitions between screens look natural, providing a premium feel that Galaxy users will appreciate. The screen recording appears to have been taken from a Galaxy S25 or S25 Plus smartphone, adding another layer of excitement. Alongside the animations, viewers spotted redesigned app icons for settings, gallery, phone, and camera. The weather widget has also been refreshed, adopting a sleeker and slimmer design that gives the UI a modern touch. Samsung enthusiasts will likely notice a shift in animation style with One UI 7. While Apple's iOS has long been praised for its smooth and reliable transitions, One UI 7 seems ready to offer a comparable experience. It's clear that Samsung is not just playing catch-up, but is aiming to redefine what its software can deliver. What do you think about the improvements in One UI 7? Are these smoother animations enough to make you excited about the update? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, a subscription to the channel would mean a lot. Your support helps bring more updates and insights like this to your feed. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more news on One UI 7 and everything Samsung. As always, see you in the next video. Has finally removed all doubts about a new Galaxy Z Fold model arriving this year. If the leaks hadn't convinced you yet, today's announcement confirms it. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is real and it's arriving soon. But now, the big question is, how does this special edition differ from the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which was released just a few months ago? One of the first differences between these two foldables is their availability. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available in various markets around the world, the special edition might be harder to get. Samsung has only announced it in South Korea so far, with plans for it to reach China next. If you're in the West or other regions where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is sold, you may not see this special edition on store shelves anytime soon. Samsung describes the special edition as the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Fold ever made. Measuring just 10.6 millimeters when folded, it's slightly thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which comes in at 12.1 millimeters. Additionally, it weighs 236 grams compared to the Fold 6 239 grams. Not a huge difference, but notable for those who prioritize portability. When it comes to dimensions, the special edition is wider than the Fold 6, both when folded and unfolded. This difference gives it a broader display, making it more user-friendly for those who are used to regular smartphones. The unfolded dimensions of the special edition are 157.9, 142.6 x 4.9 millimeters, while the Fold 6 measures 153.5 x 132.6 x 5.6 millimeters. The wider design also leads to different aspect ratios. The special edition boasts a 2018 aspect ratio for its main display, while the Fold 6 uses a more traditional 4:3 ratio. This wider layout offers a slightly better experience for tasks like multitasking or viewing content. Samsung hasn't revealed much about any potential upgrades to the displays. However, we do know the special edition has an 8.0-inch main display and a 6.5-inch cover screen. In comparison, the Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch main display and a 6.3-inch cover screen. Both phones likely support 120Hz refresh rates, but Samsung hasn't confirmed this. In terms of durability, the special edition is made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra protection and features a distinctive stripe pattern on the back. Its frame is made from armor aluminum, ensuring it stays tough against everyday wear and tear. One surprising difference is the lack of S Pen support on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Samsung confirmed this on their South Korean store page. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does support the S Pen, making it the better choice for fans of Samsung's iconic stylus, even though it requires a separate purchase and doesn't have a built-in slot for storage. If the S Pen isn't a priority for you, the special edition might still be appealing, but it's worth considering this omission before making a decision. Both phones pack serious power under the hood. They share the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, which first appeared in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This powerful chip ensures that both devices can handle demanding tasks with ease. However, the special edition stands out by offering 16 GB of RAM as standard, whereas the Fold 6 comes with 12 GB. This extra RAM helps the special edition manage tasks like Galaxy AI more efficiently. The special edition also ships with 512 GB of internal storage, whereas the Fold 6 gives you options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. As for the battery, both models have a 4400 mAh unit, although Samsung hasn't mentioned if charging speeds differ between them. One of the most notable upgrades on the special edition is the primary camera. The special edition is equipped with a 200-megapixel main camera, compared to the 50-megapixel sensor on the Fold 6. This upgrade is significant and could be a game-changer for those who prioritize photography on their foldable device. Other camera specs remain similar across both devices, including the telephoto lens and the 4-megapixel under-panel camera. The special edition also has an advantage when it comes to connectivity as it supports Wi-Fi 7. This feature is only found on a few other Samsung devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the Fold 6 tops out at Wi-Fi 6E. Now, what about the price? The special edition will cost approximately $300 more than the Fold 6. In South Korea, the special edition will be priced at around $2,789,601 or $2,036, while the 512 GB Fold 6 goes for $2,388,101 or $1,743. Ultimately, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition brings some exciting upgrades like a larger display, 16 GB of RAM, and a 200-megapixel camera. But if S Pen support is important to you, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might still be the better choice. Either way, both of these foldables are top-tier devices, each with its own strengths.